Imagine starting a business that doesn't just serve individual customers, but helps other businesses grow. A business where your clients are willing to pay top dollar because you're solving their critical problems. Today, we are sharing 20 B2B business ideas to start a new business idea this year. Number 1. Custom AI solutions for small businesses. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Start a business that offers custom AI tools like chatbots, data analytics, or recommendation engines to small businesses. For example, you could build an AI-powered chatbot for an e-commerce company to handle customer queries 24/7, saving them thousands of dollars annually. With the AI industry projected to grow by $300 billion by 2030, this is business that has a future. Number 2. Video production for corporate training. Companies spend billions on training, and they need engaging video content to keep employees hooked. Create tailored training videos for businesses in specific industries like healthcare or tech. For example, a healthcare company might need compliance training videos. Charge $2,000 to $10,000 per project depending on the complexity. Number 3. Virtual office solutions for remote teams. Remote work isn't going anywhere. Offer virtual office solutions with tools for collaboration, project management, and virtual meeting spaces. Partner with platforms like Slack or Notion to deliver custom packages for businesses. Number 4. Sustainable packaging solutions. Create a business supplying biodegradable or reusable packaging solutions to businesses looking to go green. Number 5. Employee wellness program provider. Businesses are investing in employee wellness to boost productivity and retention. Start a company that provides customized wellness programs, including fitness classes, mental health support, and nutrition counseling. Number 6. Niche IT support services. Offer specialized IT support for industries with unique tech needs, like fintech or healthcare. Number 7. Digital marketing for B2B companies. Many B2B companies struggle with reaching their target audience online. Start a digital marketing agency specializing in B2B lead generation through LinkedIn ads, email campaigns, and SEO. Number 8. 3D printing as a service. 3D printing is revolutionizing industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and architecture. Start a business offering 3D printing services for prototypes or small production runs. Number 9. Corporate event planning services. Number 10. Outsourced HR services. Number 11. SaaS development for specific industries. Develop software such as services tailored for niche markets like education, real estate, or agriculture. Number 12. Supply chain optimization consulting. Number 13. Office space design and optimization. With hybrid work models, companies are rethinking office spaces. Start a business that redesigns and optimizes offices for collaboration and efficiency. Number 14. Compliance and regulation advisory. Industries like finance, healthcare, and tech face strict regulations. Start a consulting firm helping businesses stay compliant with local and international laws. Number 15. Custom CRM development. Number 16. Data analytics and visualization services. Number 17. Subscription box fulfillment services. Number 18. Corporate branding and identity design. Number 19. AI-powered customer feedback analysis. And number 20. White label content creation services.